hello, hand waving. Welcome back to German, made easy for dummies. It's me, Janice, and I'm so happy you're here. Last time, we learned our numbers up to 20, the days of the week, and some polite little phrases. Danke, Bitte, Schön, dich, kennenzulernen. If you missed that one, go back and give it a listen. It'll make today even smoother. Alright, today we're diving into something that truly builds your German foundation, pronouns and basic sentence structure. Don't worry, it sounds fancy, but it's really fun once you get the rhythm. So, let's start with the pronouns, the tiny words that replace names. You'll use them all the time, so listen carefully and repeat after me, okay? Sparkles. Ich is I. Du is you. Informal. Means he. Sie means she. Es is it. Wir is we. Ihr means you guys. Plural. Sie is they in. Sie is also again you. Formal. Yeah, I know. German loves that word, sie. It can mean she, they, or you, depending on the context. The trick? When it's capitalized, sie, it means you in a polite way. Okay, now that we've got our pronouns, let's build a few sentences. In German, the verb usually comes second. That's your golden rule. Let's try a few together. Ich bin Janice is. I am Janice. Du bist mein Freund means you are my friend. Kommt aus Kanada mean he comes from Canada. Wir lernen Deutsch means we are learning German. Easy, right? The verb is always in that second spot. Even if you shuffle the words, the verb stays loyal, it stays second. Like this. Heute lerne ich Deutsch. Today, I learn German. See? Heute comes first, but learn stays second. Let's have a quick mini conversation. Listen and repeat if you can. Hello Alex. Wie geht's dir heute? Mir geht's gut, danke. Und dir? Mir auch. Ich lerne Deutsch mit dir. Super. Wir sprechen bald fließend. Ah, that's such a cute little chat, simple but full of real German rhythm. Alright, let's recap before we wrap up. You learned the pronouns ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. The verb comes second always. And you practiced a few natural sentences. Now, here's your mini homework for today. Bullseye. Make 3 sentences about yourself in German. For example, ich bin müde is I am tired. Ich komme aus Indien is I come from India. Ich lerne Deutsch means I'm learning German. Super simple, but very powerful. That's it for today's episode of German Made Easy with Janice. You're doing amazing, really. In our next episode, we'll learn common verbs and how to conjugate them so you can talk about what you do every day, like eating, working, or studying. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget. Bleib dran, üb weiter, und hab Spaß. Stay tuned, keep practicing, and have fun. Danke schön for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode, please follow, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also learning German. Bis bald and tschüss from Janice.